Okay, so the other day I was going through my comments and I saw a comment that says, I will shift to Linux permanently once I don't have sound issues with it. Now, you're in luck because I'm actually going to solve your problems and I'm going to teach you how to do this. Not only that, I will be dropping my personal configs for my headset if you got, which is a pretty good setting I have for my headset. Anyway, so I have the HyperX Cloud 2, but today we're just going to show you how to fix issues with audio on Linux. So here we go. Did I forget to say, don't worry, my young Padawan, I got you. All right, Lion, take it away with our intro.
Present day. Present time.
Okay, so let's solve this issue. First of all, if you don't have Flatpak or implement into the Discover or your app store, I will post a freaking guide in the bottom of the description so you can follow along and install Flatpak. So we're going to go to Flatpak. So you're going to install EasyEffects. Now, where the heck is EasyEffects? So why Flatpak? For some reason, the native version always gives me issues when it comes to actually like getting my audio and my audio sound weird or something. Again, I will be posting what settings I have, but you're going to install this. Now, you also should install PulseEffects because, for example, if you use what's that version? If you use the OBS, that's by Flatpak. For some reason, it still uses like the ALSA audio and stuff. Anyway, so let's look up Pulse. So you're gonna want to install this one too, but ignore this one. We're not gonna really use it. This is basically what we used to use for audio. I missed it because it used to sound better, but like pipe like EasyEffects now it's like the go-to. So why are we installing both two even though we're not using that one? Because in case something happens like a backend, like I know certain applications are still stuck in that legacy audio server. Like for example, sometimes the OBS from Flatpak does this. Also, certain applications still use it as a backend. Like for example, if I go into my for some reason, if I go into my DaVinci Resolve, if I don't have this installed, for some freaking reason, I can't hear audio. So I have to install this as a backend. But what we're actually using, we're going to actually be using EasyEffects. So we're going to launch this. So, yeah. So we're pretty much going to launch this. And you just got to make sure that you whatever settings you have put in preset, just make sure you have these toggle in. So there's a little area here that pretty much says to launch it on startup. Where is it? Is it right here? Preference. Yep. So you want to put you could toggle this one if you want, but you don't have to. You can if you want. Well, you just put it launch on startup. This will just open it, but what you want to make sure you have is process all outputs and stream. That's all you really need, and then you're done for, and all your audio problems should pretty much go away. But yeah. Anyway, if you find this video helpful, and if you like this video and you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.